Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll see how to build data logger system. Data logger is a very essential tool where monitoring is difficult or monitoring can be done by machine. So let's see how to do that. So for this project we'll use Arduino Nano board, again SD card module. This SD card module works on SPI interface. Again we'll use this DHT sensor DHT11. Again we'll use RTC to keep the track of time, at what time we got which data. Again we'll need SD card to store the data. Again LDR sensor and 10K register. Again we will need few wires, breadboard. So this is the connection diagram which we'll be referring. So as you can see, SD card is connected to this SPI interface, RTC is connected to I2C interface, DHT sensor is connected to pin number 8 and LDR is connected to analog pin. So let's do the connection as per the connection diagram. I have attached the connection diagram link in the description. Okay, now we have done the connection. Just verify the connection once and make sure that you have not shorted the VCC and ground connection. You can have a closer look of the connection. So let's see the Arduino coding part. So this is the code for our project. This header file is used for DHT sensor, DHT11 sensor. These two header files are used for SD card interface. and these two header files are used for I2C interface for RTC. We'll be using pin number 8 for DHT sensor. Here we have taken one instance for DHT, and this is the instance for SD card file, and we have taken one RTC interface. And we'll be using pin number 9 as a chip select to the SD card, and we have connected LDR to pin number A0. So in the setup function, here we have initialized the serial communication, here we have initialized the RTC, and here we have initialized the SD card. So in the loop function, we are continuously reading the data, we are continuously reading the sensors, and we are writing the SD card. So here we are reading the DHT sensor, here we are extracting the data from DHT, and here we are reading the LDR sensor value. Again we are reading the RTC. In this line we are opening the data.txt file for writing purpose. If file open operation is successful, then only we'll write the SD card, or else we'll print this message as a file not opened. This loop will get executed every after 3 seconds. So let's see the demo now. So let's power it on. So we'll keep the system on for some time and we'll check the data from SD card. So here I will try to change the data for LDR sensor and DHT11 sensor. So this is the data I have got from SD card. So whenever you turn on the circuit, it will append the data in the same file. Thank you for watching video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel for more videos.